Rob here from Media. In this video, we're going to be talking about the progress bar element in Elementor, so stay tuned. At Media, we help companies to grow and thrive using the latest tools, tricks, and marketing techniques. From websites to online marketing, automated sales funnels, social media, and much more. We're always releasing new content on our YouTube channel, so make sure you click the like, subscribe, and notification button to make sure that you don't miss out. Just before we get going, I want to tell you about an exclusive offer we have on at the moment. We're giving away free access to our paid Hub platform to the first 50 people that click the link in the description. We're going to be putting this link in the description of all of our videos, so make sure that you get in there as quick as you can. Within Hub we have created over 100 training videos in 13 courses, including a course on how to build a website using Elementor. You'll also find recorded webinars and a host of other free content, so remember to click the link in the description. Let's get on with the video. Hello, in this video we're going to be talking about the progress bar element in Elementor. Before we begin then, I've got a page layout of Elementor full width. I've got one section here with one column in, and I've changed the background color of the section to blue. To get back to our elements then, we just need to click the grid here. Let's find our progress bar by searching in here, progress, drag that into our column, and there we have the default progress bar. Of course, we're going to have multiple of these, but at the moment we're going to edit one, and then we'll duplicate a couple and change those. So in this example, I'm going to rate a couple of my senses, perhaps my sight, my smell. First of all, let's change my skill to sight. The type we can have as info, success. These are just default colors that you could have. I'm going to leave it on default because we can change the style of this in our own way. We don't have to go with these preset options. We have a percentage. So my eyesight is actually quite good, so I'm just going to put that straight up to 100. You can't see it at the moment because of the colouring, but this is at 100%. Display the percentage. We could show that or hide it, but let's leave it in there for now. And then the inner text, I'm going to change to very good. Let's now style this progress bar. So in the top left we've got style. We can change the colour. So I'm going to change this to the green that we've got because 100% is very good. Green is a colour for good. Then we've got the background colour. I could set this if I like. I'm going to set it to white, but you won't see it because this would be the background colour of the remainder of the bar should the percentage be by 50%. We've also got the height then. Let's go with around there, 50. We've got border radius. Let's go with quite rounded. We've got the inner text. Let's change the colour to white, but the typography I would like to be amatic, and it's got to be much larger so we can see and read it. Let's close that window. Then we've got the title style. We can keep the text colour as white there as well, and we'll go for Josephine Sands. Again, we'll also make this a bit larger, so maybe 1.5 and a weight of 300. So that's our first bar. Let's say we also wanted to do my sense of smell. So let's duplicate this by right clicking on the element and duplicate. And we can just go through the settings quickly. Let's say my sense of smell is not so great. Let's go with 52%. Show the percentage. We can change that to average. In the style then, we'll go for a more average kind of colour. We'll go with the, orange. And then of course we've already got our typography and colours already set. So we could do this again for as many senses as we like, but that's how you use the progress bar in Elementor. When you're happy with yours, don't forget to click the green update button at the bottom, and we will see you in the next video.